Alright, so I hope the screen is visible and my voice is loud and clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so is there any problem with whatever we have discussed yesterday?
No, sir.
No problem.
No, sir.
Okay, good. So we have discussed. So the basic understanding of matrix and the addition of matrix and types of matrix is done. Okay, suppose I have a matrix. Whatever I am writing on the screen, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So 149321030. And second one is B. 25932189 So can I get A plus B? Can I add these two matrices together?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Why? Because they are of same order,
Same order.
right? Similarly, if you ask me to do A minus B, then also the A and B should be of same order. Means subtraction can also be done A minus B. So I'll write it as A minus B. So can I do A minus B for these matrices?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because their order is same. So I'll write it like 149 321 0 3 0 minus 259 321 896. So in the same manner, 1 minus 2 negative 1, 4 minus 5 negative 1, 9 minus 9 0, 3 minus 3 0, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 8 negative 8, 3 minus 9 negative 6, and 0 minus 6 negative 6. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the A plus B is done. A minus B is also done. Now there is one thing. Let's suppose A is equal to we call it scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. Now what is this? Suppose A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 3, 9, 12, 4, 12, 16, and you ask me if A is equal to this, then find 5A. If A is equal to this, then find 5A. Can we do it?
Yes, sir.
How?
So multiplying is each of the element with 5.
Multiply this matrix by 5. This is scalar
Yes, sir.
so 5A can be 5 multiplied by this entire matrix. So each and every element of the matrix will be multiplied by 5 and you will get your resultant matrix. It will be 10, 20, 30, 15, 45, 60, 20, 60, 80. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This will be.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So suppose A is equal to 1, negative 2, negative 3, 4, uh, 10, negative 7, 6, 36, 72. This is A, and B is first question. Find A minus B. Second question. Find 5A. Third question. Find negative 1B. Fourth question. What will be 5A minus 3B? Fifth question. What will be 5A minus negative B? Start doing it. You need to find out A minus B. You need to find out 5A. You need to find out negative 1B. You need to find out 5A minus 3B. And you need to find out 5A minus B. Questions are clear with everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So start doing it. Start doing it. And just let me know into the chat box when you are done with all the five. Okay, so almost more than 50% people have responded that they are done. So, okay. Divya, what is the answer for A minus B?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Divya, I am asking to Divya that what is
Okay.
the answer for A minus B?
Sir, 8
8,
minus 12,
negative 12,
9
9,
minus 5,
negative 5,
5
5,
negative 19,
negative 19,
minus 7,
negative 7,
37,
37,
and 52.
50. So is it the same for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good, good. Ratrika, what is the answer for 5A?
So 5
Hmm,
minus 10
right?
minus 15,
Hmm,
20,
okay.
50
Hmm,
minus 35,
hmm,
30,
okay.
180,
Hmm,
360.
360.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it the same for everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rishita, what is
Yes.
negative 1B?
So 7
Hmm,
minus 10,
hmm,
12
right?
minus 9
Hmm,
minus 5
right?
minus 12
Okay.
minus 13
Hmm,
positive 1, minus 20.
Okay. Rhythm, what is 5a minus 3b?
Sir, minus 16.
Minus 60, 60.
1 6, sir.
Negative 16,
20.
20.
Yes, sir. 20 20. Minus 21.
Right?
Then next is minus 7.
7.
Yes, sir. Minus 7.
Hmm.
Then 35.
35.
Minus 71.
Negative 71.
Then minus 9.
Negative 9.
Then it's 178
178.
and 380.
3.
Oh, sorry, 300.
300. Okay, is it the same
Yes,
with
sir.
everyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I had the same doubt.
Um,
Okay, where is the problem, Rishita?
Sir, in the first one, it will be positive 26.
Instead of
Yes, sir.
negative
Positive 26.
instead of
Yes,
negative
sir.
16, it should be positive
Yes,
26.
yes, minus minus makes positive.
So according to you, it is 26. Then
Then minus 40.
instead of 20,
Yes, sir. It will be negative 40.
okay.
Then it will be 21, positive 21.
Hmm,
Then it will be minus 7.
okay,
Then it will be 35,
okay,
minus 71.
okay.
Then minus 9.
Hmm,
Then 177 and
okay.
300.
So around four values are having contradiction. One is this, second one is this, third one is this, and then this one. Yeah. So Rhythm, what is the problem? Beta, can you please recheck?
Yes, sir. I got the.
Yes, Prashant, can you tell me what is 5a minus minus b?
Yes, sir. So it's negative 2,
Just a second. Negative 2,
0,
0,
negative 27,
right?
29,
Okay,
55,
right.
negative 23,
Hmm,
43,
right.
179,
Hmm.
and 380.
Is it the same with everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So finding out 5a minus b, or you can find out 5a plus b. Do you think the answer will be same?
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone who will say no, sir? Answer can be different. 5a minus minus b or 5a
Sir,
minus. Yeah. Yes, Divya.
sir 5A minus 3B में A1 से is minus 5-1.
Just a second. You are talking about fourth question.
Sir,
Yeah. Now, please repeat. What are you saying?
sir A1 3 is minus 5-1.
A13.
Yes, sir.
A13 means instead of this 21,
Yes, sir.
it should be negative 5.
Negative 5-1.
Oh God. A lot of confusions are there. Okay, so let us solve it. The fourth question. The fourth question, it has asked 5a minus 3b. So first let us find out 5a, which we have already done in the second question. 5a is this, 5 minus 10 minus 15. Then we have 20, 50, 35. Then we have 30, 180, 360. This is 5a. And then we need to find out 3b. So 3b will be 21, 30, 36. Sorry. 21, 30, 36, negative 27, 15, 36, 39, negative 3, and
Sir, it will be minus 21 no?
which one?
In A11 element.
A11. Just a second. Yes, it will be negative 20. Yeah, B11. Then we'll do 5a minus 3b. So this minus this. So 5 minus negative 21, negative 10 minus 30, negative 15 minus negative 36, 20 minus 27, 50 minus 15, negative 35, this is 15, negative 35 minus 36, 30 minus 39, 180 minus negative 3, and 360 minus 60. So it will be 5a minus 3b is equal to, this will be positive 26, this will be negative 40, this will be positive 36 and negative 15, 21 positive. Yeah. Then we have this negative 7, this will be 35, this will be 71 negative, this will be negative 9, this will be 183, and this will be 300. Whose answer is this? I guess no one's answer is this. So every one
So
of you.
mine is this.
So mine was just 177. I just had the
No,
mistake over there.
that's a separate issue. Mine one is like if you are missing it by a negative also, then it's a mistake. It's a mistake. And I don't know why this is happening. It's a simple plus minus
Sir,
and
it's
still.
confusing.
Yes, Ratika?
Sir, I got this on the 183. I can send you photo.
No, no, I believe you. Don't worry. Very good. So the thing is that whosoever has got this in the first go, very good. But I had a discussion with three people at least, and all three of those people were having a different answer, and all the three answers were wrong. And you can recheck. Is there any problem with this answer? So the only thing is that we are either you are in, in a very what should say, rough manner. You are taking the questions and you are doing the calculation wrong, or else there is a problem of plus minus. So please ask if you are not understanding minus is equal to what. You can ask. Don't think that sir, how can I ask this question at the stage of MBA? No question is a wrong question or is a foolish question. Question is a question, and we are into the class. We should ask whatever we don't know. But I'm really surprised to see that the basic plus minus all are giving the different answers and that to the wrong answers. I don't know why. Okay, no issues. Whosoever has got the same answer like Ratrika, it's good, it's very good. But the other people should also improve. Yes, any problem with any of these? 4-5
Yes.
questions?
No, sir.
No problem. Okay. The next one is like, suppose A is equal to 100, 300, 20, 40, 60, 400, 1000, 300, 500. And I ask you, what is the A upon 5? What will it be?
So we
So
have to
need to
divide
divide
the
all
values
the
by
elements
5.
with 5.
We'll divide all the elements by 5. Okay. The basic principle is this only. Or if I ask you what is 2 by 5A, then
So multiply them by 2 by 5. Like 100 into 2 by 5.
exactly.
300 into 2. Yes, sir.
So in the same manner, you can take it like this also, 1 upon 5A, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Right? Dividing all the elements by 5 or multiplying all the elements by 1 by 5 is one and the same thing.
Yes.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So please, it's a very small kind of a question, but I thought of discussing this also. So you guys are okay with all the addition, subtraction, and scalar multiplication. Mind you, I have not told you that if A is given, B is given, what is A into B, or you can say AB. This is the thing which we need to understand, which is the multiplication of matrices. This is also the important one which we need to understand. But before that, I wanted you guys to be familiar with all these, and I guess you all are. Any problem with anyone? Please ask. No problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's take one last question for your practice purpose. Find A plus B, find A minus B, and find B minus B. This is the last question of the day. Question is clear with
So is it
everyone?
possible?
Sorry? Yes, Ridham, you were asking something, beta.
So you said the matrix had to be in the same order.
So they are of same order. A and B are of same order. You can check. What is the order for matrix A?
2 into 2.
Huh?
2 into
You
3.
so you
2 by 3.
so your
And
screen
B,
got frozen in my phone, so the matrix wasn't complete. Yes,
no
now I
issue.
understand.
Rhythm, I was saying they are of same order. This is 2 cross 3. This is also 2 cross 3.
Yes, sir. Now I understand. Actually, the screen got frozen, so you were like the matrix was showing as a half, like as the first one
Okay.
was two into
Okay.
2 cross 3, and the
Okay.
second was 2 into 2.
Got it. Got it. Please do it. Okay, so Divya is saying done. Ratrika has done. Prashant has done. Okay, good. Nivanika has done. Okay, Divya, what is A plus B? Divya, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is A plus B?
7,
7,
negative 12,
negative 12,
negative 37,
mm, okay, negative 37, okay,
32,
32,
minus 5,
negative 5,
42.
40. Yeah, it is right. So everyone is getting the same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, very good. A minus B. Nibonita, am I audible to you? Nibonita, am I audible? Maybe. Prashant,
Yes, sir.
what is A minus B?
So negative 13,
Negative 13, okay.
negative 6,
Negative 6, okay.
positive 17,
Positive 17, okay.
negative 28,
Negative 28, okay.
1, positive 1,
Positive 1,
negative 48.
negative 48. Yes, it is right. So everyone is getting the same?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Network issue. Sorry, sir.
No issues, no issues. It's okay. Yes, Ratrika, what is B minus A?
So 13,
Some other 13.
B minus A.
13, 6.
Just a second, just a second. B minus A. Okay, yeah. Now tell me. Positive 13, right? Or negative
Yes, sir.
13?
So positive 13.
Positive 13. Okay, next.
Positive 6.
Positive 6.
Negative 17.
Negative 17. Okay.
Positive 28.
Positive 28. Okay.
Positive 1.
Positive 1 or negative 1?
So negative 1. So negative 1.
Minus.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Negative 1. Negative 1.
Negative 1.
Yeah. Okay. Last one.
And then 48.
48 positive.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That is right. So everyone is getting the same.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I assume
Yeah.
that now you all are comfortable with A plus B, A minus B, B minus A, and everything?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today.
Yes, sir.
We'll meet again in the next class. Till then, take care and please give your test. I have scheduled it. Right?
Right, sir.
Okay. So thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, welcome.